This was an amazing experience. Just another invitation or reminder to say that, all legacy-defining achievement happens at the edge of our fears. And thank you very much to the guys for reminding us of that. And also just a reminder of the power of diversity when it's actually put to practice, beyond just us speaking about it, to us doing something about it. So I'm really, really excited about not just taking the insights away, but building effective case studies of how diversity drives performance. Thanks very much to the LRMG team, and looking forward to see how this evolves into not just impact for LRMG and its clients, but for the country and what it deserves to be.
It's really been a great opportunity to attend this session today and really to talk about how voice matters. And I think for me, the key takeout is how I take the whole concept of grit and perseverance into the workplace. I think a lot of time we have a purpose, but we never really get our employees to understand how they can overcome their obstacles. And today's session is really just a starting point for me in terms of how, together with my colleagues, we can ensure that our employees have the grit to succeed.
Thank you very much, LRMG, for creating space for us to have a dialogue and to have very important conversations in a relaxed environment with a variety of people that come from different walks of life. It made it richer. It made the content so much more powerful. Thank you for that, and I look forward to more conversations within our own company and with other people in a setup like today's. Onwards and upwards. Thank you.
I love the events today. I think that's every single company around the world. So basically kind of take this message and say, please do. And say, I will go back to the UK and Spain, and I will kind of spread the word.